Even before DJI has made a single official announcement, the DJI Avata 360 is already making waves with pre-order listings at a US retailer. That alone is enough to get the drone community buzzing. New images are circulating online, details about potential bundles are emerging, and suddenly this drone feels much closer than most expected. For anyone who's been waiting for a fresh, immersive, and slightly unexpected addition to DJI's lineup, these leaks are definitely worth paying attention to. The most exciting part is the pre-orders themselves. A US-based retailer has listed the Avata 360 ahead of any official launch, showing stock tracking, accessory options, and even reservation-style listings. Typically, this kind of thing only happens when a product is getting very close to release, or when retailers feel confident enough that it's coming soon. But here's an important detail. This particular retailer isn't an authorized DJI dealer. That means there's an extra layer of risk for anyone considering hitting that buy button before DJI confirms anything officially. From the leaked images, it's clear that DJI is taking a very strategic approach with how they're bundling the Avata 360. The base bundle is stripped down to the essentials: just the drone itself, a battery already installed, spare propellers, mounting screws, a small camera protector that seems designed for FPV use, and a USB-C cable. That's it. No goggles, no controller, no extra batteries, no carrying case. This bundle is clearly aimed at existing DJI FPV users who already have compatible gear and don't want to pay for duplicates. It's minimal, practical, and perfect for someone who just wants the drone without the extras. For those who are newer to DJI or FPV flying, the standard ready-to-fly option, often referred to as the Fly Smart combo, seems like the sweet spot. It includes everything from the base bundle plus DJI goggles, a motion controller, 3 batteries, and all the necessary charging accessories. Essentially, you can open the box, charge up, and take to the skies with minimal setup confusion. This package feels designed for accessibility and convenience, reducing compatibility worries and providing a smoother introduction to FPV flying for new users. Then there's the premium FlyMore combo, which appears aimed at enthusiasts who want to maximize their flying time and convenience. Along with everything in the standard bundle, this version adds multiple extra batteries, a proper charging hub, spare propellers, and a structured hard carrying case. Images also suggest that it comes with higher-end goggles 3, perfect for extended sessions or serious content creation. This bundle clearly targets those who want long flight sessions with fewer interruptions, easier travel, and a setup that supports serious creative work. However, it's important to step back and look at the warnings. DJI has not officially announced the Avata 360, and the retailer in question isn't an authorized partner. Some listings describe units as unsealed, already activated, or imported internationally, which raises questions about warranty coverage, firmware support, and whether the final retail version might differ significantly from these early leaks. This retailer seems more like a drop shipper than a traditional DJI partner, so anyone considering pre-orders should proceed with caution. Pricing is another area that's drawing attention and debate. According to the current listings, the base bundle with 1 intelligent flight battery is priced around $999. The FlyMore bundle that includes a battery and the RC2 controller comes in at roughly $1,299. The higher-end FlyMore setup, which adds 3 batteries, a charging hub, a carrying case, and the RC2 controller, is listed at $1,799. There's even a listing for a single Avata 360 unit priced the same but described as new, unsealed, and already activated. Additionally, a Motion FlyMore bundle, which includes the RC2 controller and goggles N3, is expected to land around the $1,799 mark as well. So the question for potential buyers becomes, which bundle makes the most sense? The bare-bones base package is great for experienced users who just want the drone itself. The standard combo strikes a balance for those looking to get started quickly, without worrying about compatibility. And the all-in FlyMore setup seems tailored for enthusiasts who want the full experience with minimal interruptions. The community is buzzing with opinions, and it will be interesting to see which option ends up being the most popular once DJI officially confirms the Avata 360. Even without an official announcement, this leak has already made the Avata 360 feel tangible, real, and incredibly close. From the stripped-down base bundle to the fully loaded premium package, DJI appears to be catering to a wide range of users, from seasoned FPV pilots to newcomers ready for their first immersive flying experience. Just remember, with pre-orders at unofficial retailers, it's worth staying cautious and waiting for DJI's confirmation before committing, no matter how tempting it might be.